We got D-Wave Quantum. We talk about quantum computing all the time. There's plenty of different companies out there. You could go through the whole list if you wanted to, but don't do it. There's too much. We don't have enough time. But this is a really interesting area. And I'll tell you what, these are companies that really are living in a very, very tight space. And when I say that, this is what I mean. You look at what the shorts are in many of these different companies. You look at where they are in terms of the cash burn. We're not talking about cash flows. We're talking about cash burn. All that being said, with that high short interest, you start to see a little bit of that squeeze. And I think we're seeing some of that today. We certainly are looking somewhere between 8 and 12% is the short. Well, today it looks like a 52-week high. We got almost up to $4. It was 377. This is a name that I think everybody needs to keep an eye on, and we've got unusual option in this as well. And that's what makes it so exciting. UOA is in every single one of these stocks today, and it's very, very meaningful. And what do you think about this one? Is the UOA right? Are they going to keep on rolling?
Man, I got to try not to talk too long about this. This is such a weird story. Okay, so if you like meme stocks, you're going to like this. These guys claim to have the first the fastest quantum computing computer, and they claim to have been able to attack these encryption algorithms with a quantum attack, and all that's mumbo jumbo. What you need to look at is the fact that Pete's right. This is a $1 stock not long ago. It popped like 50% on Friday. We saw some UOA in it. They got it for as low as 10 cents. That UOA went up to 60 cents. There's this massive volume gap between, call it $9 and $3. For those who don't know, volume gaps are kind of like trading a normal gap. Usually, if we can get up in a couple dollars into that price action, and the auction wants to test that high. All I would say is this: if you're going to trade this, which maybe you should, maybe you shouldn't, that's up to your risk tolerance. You got to be so disciplined. Anytime that you see a small stock that you hadn't heard of before this start to pop 50%, you got to say, all right, we're playing hot potato. I don't want this thing to explode in my hands, but maybe with options and discipline, I can make a little bit of money on this.
Yep, and it can be pretty fun too along the way. But most key thing that he said, discipline. We talk about that every single day here at Market Rebellion, and it's important because that's what options demand. You have to have that.